How to make an account on BigCommerce easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create an account on BigCommerce.com. Let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to BigCommerce.com and you will land on this website right here. So I will show you how to get started with BigCommerce and create an account. First, you have two options. We have enterprise and we have essential. So if you are looking to create a big, business, you're looking for an enterprise plan, then you can go with this. I am going with essential. With essential, we have the get started option given here and start your free trial. So I'm just going to click on get started. Create your beautiful store today. You can see no credit card required and we can get a 15-day free trial for this plan. This is BigCommerce. This is where we will enter the details and create our own store. Enter your first name, your phone number, email address, set up a password, select your store name. What size is your online business? Just starting out, or if you are a large enterprise, maturing business, I'm just starting out. Click on create your store. You can see now it says your store is being created. It will just take a minute. Then you will enter some detail here, like do you have any existing website? You can add no. Select your industry. Then you can select what describes you the best. I'm just gonna go with I'm not selling yet. Click on finish, or you can also skip this step. I'm gonna click on finish. And it will take us to our BigCommerce dashboard. There you go, guys. We have our own control panel on BigCommerce. This is how you can create an account on BigCommerce. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.